Upgrading your home doesn't have to be complicated. These smart, practical products are designed to make everyday life easier, from cleaning and organizing to relaxing and staying comfortable. Whether you're optimizing a small space or adding convenience to your routine, there's something here worth trying. All products links in the description section below. Picture a coffee table that quietly transforms how your living room works and feels. The LiveTab Smart Coffee Table LT9 keeps drinks perfectly chilled, powers your devices without messy cables, and fills the room with music and soft ambient light. It's perfect for movie nights, casual hangouts, or even a relaxed solo evening. Everything you need stays close, organized, and ready to go. Instead of adding more gadgets around your space, this brings it all together in one sleek spot, making everyday living just a little smoother and more enjoyable to experience. Spills and stains don't have to ruin your day or your space anymore. The Labigo Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner KS7915 makes it easy to tackle messes right when they happen, whether it's on carpets, couches, or even car seats. Its strong suction and compact design mean you can clean deeply without dragging out bulky equipment. From quick touch-ups to more serious cleanups, it fits naturally into your routine. It's one of those tools you'll appreciate having nearby, especially when life gets a little messy and you want things fresh again. Keeping your bathroom clean goes beyond just wiping surfaces. It's about the small details you use every day. The Bitve Toothbrush Holder 2.0 adds a smarter touch by helping keep your toothbrush fresh, dry, and ready whenever you need it. With hands-free access and automatic cleaning, it fits seamlessly into busy mornings and relaxed nighttime routines. It's a simple upgrade that brings a little more confidence to your daily hygiene. Once it's part of your space, you'll likely wonder how you managed without it before. When the temperature drops or your space just feels a little too cold, comfort becomes a priority. The Drio 25-inch space heater brings quick, even warmth without the noise, making it perfect for bedrooms, workspaces, or relaxed evenings indoors. With simple controls and built-in safety features, it's easy to use without overthinking it. Whether you're studying, unwinding, or getting ready for bed, it helps create a cozy, steady environment. It's the kind of everyday upgrade that quietly makes your space feel more comfortable and inviting. Keeping your floors clean doesn't have to take up your time anymore. The Uninel or 3 robot vacuum and mop handles the sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping all on its own, so you can focus on everything else in your day. Whether it's pet hair, dust, or everyday mess, it moves around smoothly and gets the job done without constant attention. It's especially helpful for busy schedules or when you just want a break from chores. Once you get used to it, letting it take care of the cleaning starts to feel like the new normal. Making the most of your space can completely change how your home feels day to day. The Kitty 2-in-1 pull-out sleeper sofa gives you the flexibility to switch from a comfortable seat to a cozy bed whenever you need it. It's perfect for small apartments, quick naps, or hosting overnight guests without extra hassle. The hidden side table adds a thoughtful touch for everyday convenience. It's one of those smart additions that blends comfort and practicality, making your space feel more functional without sacrificing style or simplicity. Laundry days feel a lot easier when you have a setup that adapts to your space. The Fluine Tripod Drying Rack offers a simple, flexible way to dry clothes without taking over your room. Whether you're air drying indoors or outside, its foldable, adjustable design makes it easy to use and store when you're done. It's especially helpful for small spaces or quick drying needs throughout the week. Once you start using it, you'll notice how much more convenient and organized your routine can feel. Sometimes it's the small, everyday tools that make the biggest difference. The King Board Tabletop Ironing Board gives you a quick and convenient way to keep your clothes looking neat without setting up a full-size board. Whether you're getting ready for work, school, or a last-minute outing, it's easy to pull out, use, and tuck away again. Perfect for tight spaces or simple touch-ups, it fits naturally into your routine. Once you have it nearby, staying wrinkle-free feels a lot less like a chore. Having your essentials within reach can make your space feel a lot more comfortable and functional. The sweet crispy 3.2cu.ft mini fridge fits neatly into bedrooms, offices, or dorms, keeping your drinks, snacks, and even small frozen items perfectly chilled without taking up much room. Its quiet operation means it won't disturb your rest or focus, making it easy to enjoy convenience without compromise. It's one of those additions that quickly becomes part of your daily routine, simple, reliable, and definitely worth having nearby. Creating a warm, inviting space doesn't always require a full renovation. The Touchstone Sideline 50 Smart Electric Fireplace brings that cozy fireplace feel with a modern twist, letting you enjoy realistic flames with or without heat whenever you like. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or setting the mood for a quiet evening, it adds both comfort and style to your room. With simple controls and smart features, it fits effortlessly into your routine, making your space feel a little more like home every single day. Even the smallest details in your space can make everyday routines feel smoother. The URALFA motion sensor trash can add a touch of convenience with its hands-free design, making disposal quick, clean, and effortless. Whether it's in your bathroom, bedroom, or workspace, it helps keep things tidy without extra effort. The quiet operation and sleek look blend easily into your environment, so it never feels out of place. It's a simple upgrade, but one that makes staying organized feel a lot more natural and hassle-free. Keeping up with dishes can quickly become one of those daily tasks that eats into your time. The Yumi countertop dishwasher offers a simple, space-friendly way to handle it without a full kitchen setup. Whether you're in a small apartment or just want to make cleanup easier, it quietly takes care of the load while you focus on other things. From quick washes to deeper cleaning cycles, it fits right into your routine. Once you start using it, having clean dishes ready without the effort feels like a small but meaningful upgrade. Cleaning your floors doesn't have to mean harsh chemicals or extra effort. The Shark Steam Mop S1000 uses the power of steam to lift dirt and grime, leaving your space feeling fresh with just water. It's lightweight, easy to move around, and ready to go in seconds, perfect for quick cleanups or a full refresh. Whether it's after a busy day or part of your weekly routine, it helps keep things simple. Once you try it, maintaining clean floors feels a lot more effortless and satisfying. Getting creative at home becomes a lot more exciting when you have the right tools within reach. The Cricut Easy Press to 9x9 heat press makes it simple to bring your ideas to life, whether you're customizing shirts, bags, or small decor pieces. With even heat and easy controls, it helps you achieve clean, professional-looking results without the guesswork. Perfect for hobby projects or thoughtful gifts, it fits naturally into your creative routine. Once you start using it, turning everyday items into something personal feels both fun and rewarding. Quick cleanups don't have to turn into a full chore or anymore. The Antaha cordless handheld vacuum makes it easy to handle everyday messes right when they happen, whether it's crumbs on the couch, dust in corners, or dirt in your car. Its lightweight, cordless design means you can grab it, clean up, and move on in seconds. Perfect for busy days or small touch-ups, it fits naturally into your routine. Once you start using it, keeping your space tidy feels faster, simpler, and a lot more manageable. Working, studying, or even relaxing gets a lot more comfortable when your setup adapts to you. The Seiji adjustable laptop bed tray table makes it easy to switch between your bed, couch, or floor without sacrificing posture or convenience. Whether you're catching up on work, watching a show, or enjoying a quick meal, it keeps everything stable and within reach. Its foldable, lightweight design also means you can move and store it effortlessly. Once you start using it, creating a comfortable workspace anywhere feels completely natural. Cleaning becomes a lot more efficient when one tool can handle multiple tasks at once. The original Broombee silicone broom is designed to pick up fine dust, pet hair, and even liquid spills without the usual hassle. Whether you're sweeping floors, cleaning rugs, or wiping down surfaces, it adapts easily to different situations. Its washable design also keeps things more hygienic over time. Once you start using it, you'll notice how much quicker and smoother your everyday cleaning routine can feel. The air you breathe plays a bigger role in your comfort than you might think. The PureVortex Air Purifier PX500 helps create a fresher, cleaner environment by quietly filtering out dust, odors, and everyday particles. Whether you're relaxing, sleeping, or working, it runs in the background without disruption, making your space feel lighter and more comfortable. It's especially helpful for maintaining a calm, breathable atmosphere throughout the day. Once it's part of your routine, you'll likely notice the difference without even thinking about it. Keeping your home consistently clean becomes much easier with the right tool by your side. The Eureka Flex Reach Plus and EU65 to vacuum cleaner is built to handle everything from everyday dust to stubborn pet hair across different floor types. It adjusts as you move, making cleaning feel smoother and less demanding. Whether you're doing a quick refresh or a full house cleanup, it helps you stay on top of things without extra stress. Once you get used to it, maintaining a tidy, comfortable space feels far more manageable. Managing multiple devices gets a lot easier when everything has its place. The Mifasa wall outlet extender with shelf and nightlight helps keep your space organized by combining extra outlets, USB ports, and a handy shelf in one compact setup. Whether you're charging your phone, powering small gadgets, or just keeping things within reach, it simplifies your daily routine. The built-in night light adds a subtle touch of convenience, especially in low-light moments. Once it's in use, staying powered and clutter-free feels much more effortless. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more amazing kitchen, home, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.